Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin with the essentials: a clear base photo and 3 reference images that show the look you want. Describe the subject, background, and mood to Chatgpt, and include dimensions like 1080 x 1350 if you aim for Instagram. Once done, ask for a step-by-step edit recipe, layer order, filter values, and mask suggestions. Make sure to state if you prefer subtle or dramatic effects, and tell the assistant which tools you'll use, such as Photoshop or mobile editors. You now follow the detailed middle steps the assistant provided, starting with exposure and base corrections before moving to color grading and selective adjustments. Apply dodge and burn to sculpt highlights and shadows, and use layer blend modes like overlay at 20–40% to add contrast. Once you have masks, refine edges and set sharpening radius for final crispness. Make sure to preview at 100% and compare variations. This explains why each tweak matters to the final trend look. You finish by exporting the edit in the right format and quality. Choose sRGB for social platforms and set quality to 80–100% to balance size and detail. Create 1-3 variants for posting tests, labeling each clearly so you can measure engagement. If something looks off, undo the last step and lower the effect opacity, or confirm the color profile is sRGB. One key tip: if colors shift, convert to sRGB before exporting and recheck brightness. This fixes most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.